Good morning, Nick, Zeke, and Addie. I'm actually back at school, which is really good news. I'm feeling a lot better, and I can teach just to you guys, not the entire class this time. Alright, so for math, you're going to be on this page that says 4-2, 4-3, and 4-4 practice. You're not learning anything new today. It's a review from what we've been doing the past few days. So for these ones, it asks you to write the four equations for the break apart drawing below. Remember that for break apart drawings, this is plus and this is minus and minus. So you would do 107 minus C equals 29. And 107 minus 29 equals C. And I'll let you figure the rest out on your own. But then it says that you need to solve for C from the above problem. Remember that to solve for C, you need to find where C is on its own side of the equal sign, which would be this one right here. And then just solve that side of it, 107 minus 29. Same for this rectangle model here. You're going to do 7 times y equals 413. And so on. Do all four. Remember that there's dividing 2. 413 divided by y equals 7. There's 4 equations. And then you need to solve for y from the above problem. So whichever one has y on its own, I'm not going to point it at this time, but whichever one has y on its own, that is the one that you're going to solve so that you can get y. Alright, for numbers 5 through 7, so that's 5, 6, and 7, you need to draw a break apart drawing, write the 4 related equations, and solve the problem. I know that's a lot, but I know you can do that. So for this one, it says in a collection of 1,918 coins, 312 are dimes. How many coins are not dimes? So we have our total collection here. This is how many are dimes, and this is how many are not dimes. Then go ahead and write your 4 equations right here. You can draw some lines for yourself if you need to. And then solve the problem. Similar to what you did up here, because you have a variable, right? So whichever one has the variable sitting on its own, that's going to be the one you solve to get your answer. And make sure that you label. These ones are very similar on the back, 8, 9, and 10. You need to draw a rectangle model, so that's the multiplication and division ones. Write the 4 related equations and solve the problem. So Jordan planted a total of 171 bean plants on a farm. The farm has 9 rows of beans. How many beans are in each row? Okay, so then you've drawn your rectangle model, you would write out your 4 equations, and you would then solve the problem. So figure out which one has B sitting on its own, and in the end, B equals what, and make sure that you label. Alright, that's all I've got for you today. You let me know if you have any questions. Remember, I am teaching today, so I can't answer you quite as quickly, but I'm still here for you. I can do a Google Meet with you after school if you need some help. You've got this.